All right, y'all, we are going to clean out the pond today. We ain't clean out the whole thing. We're just gonna clean out right back here behind me, right there, and we're gonna clean over in the creek where the inlet pipe comes out and the inlet pipe goes into the pond. Yeah, I had to think that one through. So let's go down here and get the track hoe real quick. All right, we already got it filled up with gas and got it running. So jump on this little bugger and head up here. A little bit of a rough ride. We're gonna get one of them cushy seats put on this thing. Lay, that camera's all over the place. Hey, get her on up here. Well, y'all, we're halfway there. Good thing it ain't very far from the pond anyways. But check this out. These flowers have no leaves. Popped out of the ground and went poof. All right, let's get on up the pond. I'm trying to hold this thing steady. Look at that, we're just about there. All right, y'all, let's dig this up. We got a whole lot, probably one load coming out right here on this side. Okay, y'all, this is very, very time consuming when you're by yourself. Be nice if somebody was on the four-wheeler driving in and unloading it while I was like running a little mini excavator. But let's go get it. All right, y'all, now we're gonna dig out this little bit right here. There's actually a lot here to dig out, but we're gonna dig out by them pipes as much as we can. All right, y'all, looks like another 3 loads and I might quit. We got it cleaned out pretty good. We're gonna go a little deeper, but we're trying to get all this loose stuff out mainly right now. Y'all check out this poor little turtle. He had a little ride. I left him in the bucket for just a little bit because I was kind of going over the bank. Little guy was down in there, just about got smashed. Yes, and no shell ain't cracked, just a thing over there. I'm gonna go put him over here on the hillside, and yeah, kind of let him go over there. If he wants water, I guess I can put him right here. Little guy, here. What you want mud for? We'll set him down right there and let him go. Well, this is what we got done so far, and there's a horsefly following me everywhere. Trying to get rid of that doggone thing, but he's pretty quick. Get back on this thing and dig it up. Looks like maybe 2 more loads I might do. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Okay, y'all, this is gonna be the last little load we get. I'm gonna leave them rocks that was right down there that I hit. They were actually right down right there. And last pile right here. I'll dig the rest of this out here later on. It's just getting a little slick over there. I need to dry it up or else I ain't gonna be able to get the full wheeler out no more. So we're gonna call it after this. So we're gonna get this and dump it. My parking skills have went downhill, so hopefully we get this thing out of here without taking it over in the pond. Wait, the pond's over there. Without taking it over in this, the creek, I just went down. Oh, well, let's go over and dump this. All right, y'all, Trico is put up. I am done for the day, even though it was just probably about 2 hours worth of work right there. And look at this, I still sweated. This ain't, I wasn't drinking water and spilled it on myself. It's actually sweat. What the heck? I guess I just sweat easy, huh? Because that wasn't work. All right, y'all enjoy. Have a good day, and we will see you all on the next one.